Hello, my name is Tom Baker. I'm a chemistry professor at the University of Ottawa, and today I'll be introducing the winners of the Purvis Memorial Award, which recognizes a major contribution to the development and implementation of strategies that strengthen Canadian research in chemistry. 1 year ago, Canada's Chief Science Advisor, Mona Namer, collaborated with Canada's Departmental Science Advisors, U15 research universities, and Compute Ontario to launch CAN-COVID, a national network of health sciences and policy researchers to facilitate COVID-19 research collaboration and communication. This network has already seen an impact in reducing the spread in long-term care facilities, emphasizing the importance of indoor ventilation to control bioaerosols, and to study the impact on children for their safe return to schools. So for their part, in the rapid rollout of CAN-COVID, today we recognize Dr. Kara Tannenbaum, Health Canada Science Advisor and University of Montreal Professor of Medicine and Pharmacy, and Dr. Sarah Gallagher, Canadian Space Agency Science Advisor and Professor of Physics at Western University. Congratulations on your fine work and on winning this award.
When COVID-19 hit Canada in a significant way during March 2020, it became apparent that it would impact many aspects of our society. Diverse expertise and collaboration would be needed to tackle the enormous challenges. But how could we bring people together to focus on the public good and enable rapid scientific response through easy and timely access to information when everyone was physically apart? This is what Dr. Sarah Gallagher and Dr. Kara Tannenbaum are being recognized for with the Purvis Memorial Award. In the span of just 2 weeks, Drs. Gallagher and Tannenbaum teamed up to create CAN-COVID, an online rapid response network to expedite communication and collaboration between the scientific, healthcare, and policy communities. You may ask, how does this all relate to the chemical industry? Well, if we look at different aspects of the COVID-19 response, we can actually see chemistry in many different places. The materials used to make masks, diagnostic sensors, the cationic lipids used in the new RNA vaccines. But in all of these cases, chemists are working collaboratively with other disciplines, and that's exactly why a collaborative platform like CAN-COVID is needed.
This award means a lot to us because it celebrates ideation and transdisciplinary teamwork. I was working as a departmental science advisor for Health Canada in March 2020 when the pandemic broke out, and I dreamed of being able to connect Canadian scientists working on COVID from coast to coast with each other, but also to connect them in rapid response real-time to government decision makers to share solutions and problem solve across disciplines. I turned to Sarah and I said, how can we turn this idea into reality?
As a space scientist, I felt sidelined by the health crisis. My skill set was not obviously useful. When Kara approached me with the problem, I thought about the effective tools, both technical and practical, that we use on large astronomy teams to coordinate big projects, such as planning next-generation space telescopes. I also knew lots of bright people not directly involved in the pandemic challenge who wanted to help.
And that's how CAN-COVID was born, an online experiment for organizing, collaborating, coordinating, and communicating the use of science across Canada. Those early days a year ago were a whirlwind, reaching out to our networks, leveraging all the talent we could find, getting hundreds of junior and senior scientists, industry folk, and government decision makers to join up and participate in the first 2 weeks. A warm thank you to the Awards Committee and the Society of Chemical Industry Canada for the honor of choosing the development of CAN-COVID for the Purvis Memorial Award and for recognizing it as a Team Science Award.
Our Chief Science Advisor, Mona Namer, was our first champion, and the early support of the U15 group of universities was essential. Our Deputy Ministers, Stephen Lucas and Sylvain Laporte, gave us the endorsement to make it happen. We had an exceptional steering committee. Mark Daly and Alex Mihalidis guided CAN-COVID planning. Vivek Goel put concrete support behind the effort. Hallie Siegel's communication chops, Kimberly Colburn's tech wizardry, my unused policy know-how, and Chloe Payne's admin skills were all key to CanCOVID's implementation and success. CanCOVID was a team effort, and we gratefully accept the Purvis Memorial Award in that spirit. Thank you.
Thank you.